So you've made the commitment to get started with windshield repair, but you don't know which windshield repair system to choose. Say no more. We're here to help you choose the right windshield repair system for you. So I'm going to give you a quick comparison of what we recommend. Let's start with our mini mobile system. This system comes with the bare basics and enough supplies to do at least 50 repairs. It has our Ignite LED UV light and our aluminum screw type B150 bridge. The bridge is easy to use and can repair any type of damage on laminated glass. Now take a moment to watch the B150 work its magic on this damage. Now let's step it up and check out our Mobile Pro Plus system. This system has a custom foam fitted toolbox, enough supplies to do at least 100 repairs, our easy to use B250 windshield repair bridge, and the Elite Plus LED UV light. The Elite Plus is one of a kind. It has a rechargeable built-in battery pack and it can be powered in 12, 120, and 240 volt. Now let's top it off with the Mobile Pro system. This system has a plethora of additional equipment that's not included with any other windshield repair system we offer. You get a hood protector, a moisture evaporator, and enough supplies to do at least 200 repairs. It's a double bridge system, so you get two of our well-renowned B250 bridges. Now let's take a moment to see how easy it is to use the windshield repair bridge. Did you know Delta Kits is the preferred choice of technicians worldwide? Our windshield repair systems are highly respected for their quality, affordability, durability, and ease of use. Every windshield repair system comes with everything necessary to complete a professional windshield repair. Also, all our systems come with a training video, training manual. We offer unlimited technical support and hands-on training. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.